Wig Wars is just a friendly little competition between two wigs, and the details that are revealed might just help you in your wig shopping. Also, these might be great sister style options if you're looking for that perfect sister style. So let's get started on today's competition. In one corner, we have the Estetica Ocean in Ginger Blonde. Estetica Ocean is a beautiful beach wave style. It's about 16 to 18 inches in length, depending on the curl pattern. It's a very loose, soft beach wave. It has a lot of permatease with the potential to get a lot of glamorous, voluminous looks. It has a really deep lace front, about 2 to 3 inches back from the hairline. Features a lot of permatease. This color is going to be very important in this competition because until now, the only kind of a gingery ombre we had to compare was the ROM 6240 RT4 shown on Reeves. But this golden ginger is a true ombre. It starts with a golden brown, a medium golden brown, and it melts into a true, very bright ginger color. It's a nice light coppery auburn. And then we have in there also a very pale gold blonde highlight throughout. It displays beautifully on all of these lovely beach waves. Let's bring out our Reeves, an ROM 6240 R24. It's the gorgeous Estetica Reeves, an ROM 6240 RT4. Another gorgeous curly style by Estetica, right around that 17 to 18 inch length. It's about the same as Ocean. The curl pattern seems to be a little bit tighter, a little bit more defined. It also features a lot of permatease and the ability to get a lot of glamorous volume. So you can fluff it out and make it as glamorous as you like. It's perfect for those updos as well. So the fact that this is just an open cap is going to have a lower price point compared to the Ocean. I always thought that this ROM 6240 R24 was the most beautiful kind of a burnished gingery color ombre. But compared to the golden ginger, you're going to start with a little bit of a more neutral brown base color. And then you're going to see some highlights, some fine highlights of that butterscotch blonde, which has a little bit of a coppery note to it, and then a lot of brighter gold blonde. So you're not going to see it as warm or as what I want to say gingery or coppery as compared to the golden ginger. So let's get into more head-to-head competition with a side-by-side comparison. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZSWIG Closet.